Handmade mini wood creations crafted from recycled scrap wood are gaining popularity in the woodworking business as they embody both creativity and sustainability. As artisans increasingly recognize the value of repurposing materials, they create unique pieces that not only showcase their craftsmanship, but also tell a story of environmental responsibility. By utilizing scrap wood, woodworkers can minimize waste and contribute to a more sustainable industry. This practice resonates with eco-conscious consumers who appreciate products that reflect their values. The process of transforming scrap wood into mini creations involves a blend of skill, imagination, and resourcefulness. Woodworkers often explore various techniques, such as carving, assembling, and finishing, to breathe new life into discarded materials. This creativity not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of the products, but also allows artisans to differentiate themselves in a competitive market. Each piece becomes a one-of-a-kind artifact, appealing to customers looking for exclusive handmade items. In addition to environmental benefits, creating mini wood project from scrap wood can also be a financially viable business model. By sourcing materials locally and avoiding the high costs associated with purchasing new timber, woodworkers can keep production costs low. This economic advantage allows artisans to price their products competitively, making them accessible to a wider audience. Moreover, the growing demand for handmade and sustainable goods means that artisans can attract consumers who are willing to pay a premium for unique, eco-friendly products. Marketing these handmade mini creations effectively is crucial for building a successful woodworking business. Artisans can leverage social media platforms to showcase their work, sharing behind-the-scenes processes that highlight the transformation of scrap wood into beautiful creations. This transparency fosters a connection with potential customers, encouraging them to support a business that aligns with their values. Engaging storytelling can further enhance this connection, allowing artisans to share their passion for woodworking and sustainability. Participating in local craft fairs and community markets can also provide valuable exposure for woodworkers. These venues allow artisans to interact directly with customers, receive feedback, and build a loyal customer base. Establishing a presence in the local community not only boosts sales, but also fosters relationships with other artisans and small business owners, creating a supportive network that can lead to collaborative opportunities. As the woodworking industry continues to evolve, the emphasis on sustainability and creativity will likely drive more artisans to explore the potential of scrap wood. This shift not only benefits the environment, but also encourages innovation and experimentation within the craft. By embracing the challenge of working with recycled materials, woodworkers can develop their skills and expand their creative boundaries, leading to unique and imaginative projects. Handmade mini wood creations from recycled scrap would represent a harmonious blend of artistry and sustainability in the woodworking business. This approach not only reduces waste and promotes environmental stewardship, but also creates opportunities for artisans to thrive in a competitive marketplace. By prioritizing creativity, community engagement, and effective marketing strategies, woodworkers can build a successful business that resonates with consumers and contributes positively to the environment. As the demand for sustainable products grows, the potential for innovative scrap wood projects remains limitless, inspiring artisans to continue exploring new possibilities within their craft. Handmade mini wood creations crafted from recycled scrap wood are transforming the woodworking landscape and reshaping business practices within the craft industry. This trend highlights the intersection of creativity and environmental consciousness, as artisans seek to minimize waste while maximizing the beauty of their creations. By repurposing scrap wood, woodworkers not only reduce their ecological footprint, but also tap into a rich resource that offers unique textures and colors. This approach fosters innovation, as artisans experiment with various methods to bring their visions to life, resulting in one-of-a-kind pieces that capture the attention of consumers. Moreover, the business potential of creating mini projects from scrap wood is significant. With rising awareness of sustainability among consumers, there's an increasing demand for eco-friendly products. Artisans can leverage this trend by marketing their creations as sustainable alternatives to mass-produced items. By sharing the story behind each piece, how it was made, the materials used, and the inspiration driving the design, woodworkers can connect with customers on a deeper level. This storytelling aspect not only enhances the perceived value of the products, but also fosters a sense of community among like-minded individuals who appreciate craftsmanship and sustainability. In addition, utilizing scrap wood can lead to reduced production costs, allowing woodworkers to keep pricing competitive while maintaining quality. This financial advantage can be particularly beneficial for small businesses looking to establish themselves in a crowded market. By focusing on many projects, artisans can produce multiple items from a single piece of scrap, optimizing material usage and increasing profitability. Engaging in local markets and online platforms further amplifies the visibility of these handmade creations. Social media serves as a powerful tool for woodworkers to showcase their work, share their processes, and connect with potential customers. By presenting their projects in visually appealing ways, artisans can attract attention and build a following. Participating in craft fairs and community events allows for direct interaction with customers, providing valuable feedback and fostering relationships that can enhance brand loyalty. As the woodworking industry continues to embrace sustainability, the potential for growth in scrap wood projects remains vast. Artisans are encouraged to push boundaries, experimenting with new designs and techniques that highlight the natural beauty of reclaimed materials. This innovative spirit not only enriches the craft, but also inspires others to consider the possibilities of working with recycled wood. Ultimately, handmade mini-wood creations from scrap would exemplify how artistry and sustainability can coexist, paving the way for a more responsible and imaginative woodworking business. By championing these practices, woodworkers can contribute to a more sustainable future while carving out a niche in the thriving market for handmade goods. Handmade mini-wood creations from recycled scrap wood are emerging as a compelling trend in the woodworking business, blending artistry with sustainability. As consumers become increasingly environmentally conscious, they seek products that reflect their values, making eco-friendly handmade items more desirable. By utilizing scrap wood, artisans not only minimize waste, but also embrace the uniqueness of each piece, as no two scraps are identical. This practice fosters creativity, as woodworkers are challenged to envision new uses for materials that might otherwise be discarded. The financial implications of working with recycled materials can be significant. By sourcing scrap wood from local suppliers or even their own workshops, artisans can keep costs low while still producing high-quality, appealing products. This economic strategy allows for competitive pricing, which is essential in attracting a broader customer base. Additionally, focusing on smaller projects enables woodworkers to experiment with various styles and techniques without the need for large investments in materials. This flexibility can lead to a diverse product range, appealing to different tastes and preferences. Marketing handmade mini creations effectively is crucial for success in this niche. Artisans can highlight their commitment to sustainability through storytelling, sharing the journey of each piece from scrap to finished product. This narrative not only enhances the emotional connection with potential buyers, but also underscores the craftsmanship involved in the process. Social media platforms are invaluable for showcasing this journey, allowing woodworkers to share images, videos, and behind-the-scenes content that captures the attention of eco-conscious consumers.